Take a ride in the 2024 Mustang. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.3-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, wheel locks, remote engine start, brake assist. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, HD radio, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, heated front seats, steering wheel audio controls, keyless start. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.